Right, so instructions number one, the file count comment.java has a number of comments in it. In your head, count the number of comments, then inside the main method, declare a variable called numComments that holds how many comments you counted. So there are 6 comments over here. We're going to use an int in this instance because we're going to initialize a number to this variable. NumComments was 6. So print out NumComments. Alright, there you go. Okay, so learn Java doubles. Number 1. Instructions number 1. As of 2016, Android has 81.7% of the market share for mobile operating systems. Create a variable called Android share that holds this percentage as a double. Okay, print out Android share to the console.